But yeah, he actually, they call themselves something like people who no one wants to have sex with. It was like, they're called he's called himself an incel, an involuntary celibate. Or as they're known to the rest of the world, Indian guys. I can say that I'm Pakistani. No one wants to have sex with us either. But like I said, that's not why you do jihad, you know? Like, I mean, like, I know we do jihad. I don't think that's, I think the reason's like the Jewish or something. I'm not religious, I don't know. But, you know, that might explain why we fuck goats, you know? It's still bad, and you shouldn't do it, Preston. You know it's your birthday. Don't do that. Take my word for it. It's bad. You might have heard the phrase like lambs to the slaughter, but you never heard the phrase goats to the slaughter, because goats don't like to die, and they don't like to have sex with humans. Trust me. So, yeah, man, I thought that YGL was pretty crazy, but it wasn't as crazy as the Austin city bomber. Like, this guy was like mailing packages and stuff, and they were blowing up. And like, I thought that was us. Like, I got on WhatsApp and like got on my brown people chat. I was like, guys, we got to quote everybody needs to shave, man. Like, this is new. I had to just figure out this. I was like, this is bad. This looked bad because it was suspicious packages. Sounds like us. Explosions. Really sounds like us. But then he was only killing black people, and that doesn't sound like us. Kind of sounds like the police. I can do it. Like I said, sorry. Yeah, but then the crazy thing was that guy, and this is the most white appropriation shit I've ever heard. He had a suicide vest, man. That is definitely ours. You can keep it, but that was ours. Like, henna tattoos, we might like put up a fight for, but you can have a suicide vest. That's, you know, it's like a Macarena. It started as a brown thing, but unquestionably white. So, yeah, and I was also like wondering like what he screamed when he blew himself up, because like when we do it, we yell like Allahu Akbar, and it's like 3 syllables, it's religious, it's fierce. Like, what did he yell? Like, gluten free! Ah! Fuck this place! Time ready! Struggle to figure out what could be so awesome. So, yeah. But yeah, man, like being Muslim, like people like discriminate against us a lot. Like, I'll finish with this. Like, there was a mosque in Indiana that got like vandalized, and like people like they tore up Qurans inside, and they like threw pork everywhere, which is like a huge waste of meat. And then, and it's not about, they put bacon on the doorknobs because they thought if they did that, we couldn't get inside. We're not fucking vampires. So anyway, don't fear immigrants, we're all cool. Well, except the ones that do jihad. But anyway, anyways, thank you guys for coming out. You've been wonderful.